Picture this. You're staring at your screen, completely overwhelmed. You're juggling writing, researching, designing, note-taking, and content creation, and it feels like there just aren't enough hours in the day. But what if I told you that these free AI tools could literally save you hours every single week? Welcome to the AI Master. Today, we're cutting through the absolute chaos of 2026 to bring you an explainer on the best free AI tools that students, creators, and freelancers can actually use in daily life. No sneaky paywalls, just real productivity. Okay, let's dive right into this. Here is our roadmap for today. First, a quick look at the 2026 AI landscape. Then we'll jump into research and text AI, visuals and design, audio and voice generation, and presentations and development. Finally, we'll build your ultimate AI stack. Section 1. The 2026 AI landscape. Navigating the noise.
Section 2. Research and text AI. Finding your digital brain.
Now, every company out there claims their tool is a total game changer. But when it comes to your daily information gathering and writing, the heavyweight matchup right now is Gemini versus Perplexity. Which of these tools actually deserves a spot in your daily workflow? Both offer incredible free tiers, but as you'll see, they serve very different purposes. And this brilliantly illustrates exactly what I mean. Google Gemini gives you deep integration right into your Google Workspace, along with a massive 1 million token context window. It's basically a photographic memory for giant documents. On the other hand, Perplexity AI is a citation-first search engine. It's built for rapid, completely neutral fact-checking and even hooks you up with their worldwide free Comet browser.
To get the most out of Perplexity, 5 is the magic number. Here's why. On their free plan, your basic searches are completely unlimited, but you only get about 5 advanced pro searches per day. Pro Search is where the AI literally scours multiple sources and performs deep multi-step research before answering. If you just need quick, cited facts, the free tier goes on forever. But for complex daily research, you'll really want to use those 5 Pro Searches strategically.
On the flip side, let's break down the reality of Google Gemini's free tier, because its everyday utility is just staggering. Powered by the Gemini 2.0 Flash model, it has that massive context window we talked about. This means you can drop in a 300-plus page PDF and have it summarized or analyzed in seconds. Plus, it's natively integrated right into Gmail and Google Docs, and you even get access to the Imagen 3 model for generating basic product mockups. For heavy document analysis, Gemini's free tier is an absolute powerhouse.
Section 3. Visuals and design. Pixel perfect.
When we look at visual tools to replace hours of manual design work, a fascinating contrast emerges between Canva Magic Studio and Adobe Firefly. Canva is your ultimate all-in-one suite. It's perfect for quick layouts and social media, giving you 50 media credits a month on the free tier. Adobe Firefly, however, gives you 25 credits a month but is vastly superior for high-fidelity assets, vector editing, and crucial enterprise features like generating highly accurate text inside of your images. In fact, Adobe Firefly has really cemented itself as the industry standard for commercially safe generative AI in 2026. And the reason for this is huge. Unlike competitors that just scrape the open web, Firefly is trained exclusively on Adobe stock, openly licensed content, and public domain assets. If you're doing any kind of commercial or client work and you're worried about copyright issues, Firefly is absolutely the safest tool you can use.
But hey, if speed and workflow automation are what you need most, Canva Magic Studio is a beast. You give features like Magic Switch 3.0 to instantly resize the design into a blog post or email, and they aggregate top models like GPT-5 and Gemini Ultra right into the canvas. You do need to pay attention to the free tier limits though. You only get 50 lifetime uses of their Magic Write text generator on the free plan, so definitely use them wisely. Section 4. Audio and voice generation. Sounding human.
Okay, the days of robotic-sounding text-to-speech are totally over, and one tool absolutely dominates this space: ElevenLabs. Everyone flocks to it for one very specific feature: professional voice cloning. This is the ability to create a highly accurate digital replica of a specific human voice to automatically narrate your content. But I want to be super clear here, this feature is not free. You must upgrade to their $22 a month creator tier to unlock professional cloning. So let's do a strict free tier reality check for ElevenLabs. The free plan hooks you up with 10,000 characters per month, which is awesome for experimenting with their standard voice library. But here's the big catch. There is absolutely no commercial license on the free tier. If you plan to monetize your YouTube videos, do client work, or use the audio for a business in any way, you legally have to upgrade to at least the $6 starter plan. Section 5. Presentations and development. Building fast. So, having great text and images is wonderful, but packaging them, that can take forever. If you've ever stared at a blank presentation slide and felt absolute dread, Gamma AI is going to be your new best friend. The workflow here is incredibly simple. Step 1, paste in a single-line prompt about your topic. Step 2, review the quick outline it generates. And Step 3, Gamma literally builds a fully formatted, beautifully designed 10-slide presentation in about 1 to 2 minutes. It completely bypasses blank page syndrome.
Now, for those of you who want to go beyond presentations and actually experiment with app development or top-tier AI models, you have to look at Google AI Studio. Think of this as the ultimate sandbox. You can build simple apps, generate videos, and chat live with Gemini while it looks right at your computer screen, all without writing a single line of code. And here is the most mind-blowing number in this entire explainer: 1,500. Google AI Studio generously provides 1,500 free API requests every single day. That is insane. This empowers absolute beginners and developers alike to run massive experiments, test top-tier models, and build small production apps at zero cost. It is one of the most underrated free resources on the internet right now.
Section 6. Building your AI stack. The conclusion.
Let's pull this all together and see how this builds into a truly cohesive workflow. Here is your ultimate 2026 freemium stack. You use Perplexity for rapid cited fact-checking. You drop into Gemini for analyzing massive PDFs. You pull in Canva and Adobe Firefly for high-quality visual assets. You use Gamma for instant presentations. And you fire up Google AI Studio for zero-code experimenting. Remember, you don't need to master or pay for every single tool out there. Start with 1 or 2 that solve your biggest problems and build your workflow from there.
So I leave you with this question. Which AI tool are you going to try first? Tell me in the comments. Pick just one tool from this stack that solves your biggest headache. Set up a free account and get your hands dirty today. The AI landscape is vast, but with the right structure, it's yours to command. If you want more practical AI tutorials and to keep leveling up your workflow, subscribe to The AI Master. Learn AI, learn skills, grow faster. I'll see you in the next explainer.